Good morning, world. Today's the day she's going. Follow me on this trip to say goodbye to my truck. So, today is my final trip in my truck. My baby that's done me proud. She has done me proud. Same kids bought the Escort. And I'm ready to go. I'm fueled up. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm on my way to Barrow-in-Furness. And I'm going to wing it getting home. I'm just going to try a train, see where I can. That's all we can do. So, follow me on this trip. Let's see what happens, eh? Happy days.
The past is gone. Now's the future. Now's the future.
Techno.
The past is gone. The past is gone. Now's the future.
Wait, I'm 50 mile in, and it is literally 50 mile in, you can see there. I just want to do some checks. I'm on the top of, I don't know where I am. I'm on my way to Carlisle, about 10 mile away from Carlisle, but the views are just beautiful. I'm going to show you. Oh, the sun's beginning to come out. It's clearing up. Look, sheep. Hello, sheep. Meh. Meh. Nah, they don't understand that language. But look at the views, man. And then there's me. Anyway, I just want to check on my truck because obviously I've done a lot to it before I left. So yeah, we'll pick some tyres and make sure wheel nuts are in the same place and make sure the car I'm towing's still on the back, which it is. The tyres are still inflated. This tyre, yeah, that's still inflated. My lights are on, yeah, they're still there. That tyre's still inflated. Yeah, and apparently it's turning around in circles as well, so, you know, we need that. So check this tyre. Yeah, that's rock hard. And check this wheel. Yeah, rock hard. She's doing me proud, boys and girls. I know it sounds a lot, but 50 mile, but it's actually kind of like a breaking point because I have done so much to her. I put new ball joints on, I put new bearings on, I've done new brake discs, I've done new everything, and I just want it right for the lad, you know. So right, I'm going to get back on the road. I've got about 100 miles to go, and then I've got to work out how I'm going to get a train home. Yeah, happy days. Should I check? I'm going to check under the bonnet, make sure nothing's gone thingy, because I cleaned it all to make sure as well, because I'm like that, you know, just a fanny. Water leaks, still got water. Good old banana. Plenty water. Happy days. Yeah. loose. Yeah, happy days. Happy days. Right, back on the road. Back on the road. Good on this, sir. How's Matthew? You alright?
Yeah, not bad.
Good to see you, right?
Right.
New owner. Yeah. Yeah. I'm at that point now, I'm like, oh fuck, I'm gonna hand it over. I'm saying bye. I don't want to go, but I'm gonna have to. I'm now gonna walk to the train station and see how long it takes me. Bye bye, trusty truck. Done us proud. You really have. There's his new owner. Happy days. Bye, truck. I'll miss you. Bye bye. Bye bye, truck. Bye bye, truck. Right. I'm now looking forward. I don't want to say goodbye anymore. I am actually devastated, do you know that? That truck done me proud. I was just telling the lassie there, I says, when I originally went into rehab, I had nothing, absolutely nothing, and I was living out of a bin bag basically. And as I got into recovery, one of my friends gave me a Vauxhall Corsa, and I stripped it, and it built me business up from there. And I bought my first truck, which was 700 quid, an absolute death trap. But then that bought me my next truck, which I didn't like. It was just horrible. And then that truck turned up just over 2 years ago, and my friend rang us and he goes, "Do you want to buy a truck?" And I was like, "No." He went, "Are you sure?" I went, "I'm positive." And he sent us a photograph, and I went, "How much is it?" He gave us a price, And that night it was mine. But out of all the trucks I've had, including Fiats and Mark 7s like over the years, that truck has built my business to where it's been today and has made me massively proud. So it is sad to see it go, but here we go. I'm 5 minutes away from the train station. Of course, see how much a ticket's going to cost us, and we'll go from there, eh? It's hot today, like. Right, there isn't leave it, folks. Happy days. So I'm home, I'm off the metro, three trains, a very nice coastal route. I think that train, the first train took me all the way up the coast on the west side. Beautiful views, mind, I will say that. Very uncomfortable train. My backside is absolutely effing killing. But, by the by, got the next train, got to Newcastle, and then got on the Central Station, got the metro, which has brought me to Northumberland Park, and I'm going to the girlfriend's mother's because my ex-wife's car is there and I've got to pick it up because I've got to sort it for an MOT. Two birds, one stone, all that type of stuff, you know what I mean? So I'm walking through here. I'm not even used to walking, man. I can't remember the last time I walked. Ooh, I'm a little bit lost, to be honest, and it's local. No, I'm not going that way. Right, I'll just follow it around here. So yeah, been a long day. Hit the road at 8 o'clock this morning. Took a slow drive down there. The problem with Borehamwood is it's mainly uphill all the way. So my truck struggled. I dropped it all off. He's over the moon with it. He's over the moon with his car. And bye bye to that chapter, you know. I've got to move on to the next. What's it going to be, I don't know. That's the exciting part. That's what I like about it. So, ooh, there's another path. We'll go down this one. So yeah, I'm going to go and pick this car up. I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to try and edit it so it's like not miles long. All I was doing was saying bye to me truck and I brought you along for the ride. But I want to thank you. I want to thank you to all my subscribers. Press that subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see what we can crack on with it. See what's coming next. Still got to finish the Dart 2. Get rid of the go and play with the Dart 2 a bit, and then get back onto the Range Miner build. Yes, Range Miner V8 3.9. So yeah, anyway, I want to thank you all for being there. Thanks for watching. Share, comment, like, subscribe, all that type of rubbish. Enjoy the rest of your evening. God bless, man. Happy days.